Hello, so today what we're doing is permutations with repetition. So basically, permutations with repetition is basically from n different objects, choose k with repetition. And of course, for permutations, order matters. Yep. So without further ado, let's just do some questions, like give some examples. The first one, from A, B, C, D, choose with repetition 2 alphabets to arrange. Well, 2 alphabets meaning that we have 2 blocks to fill in. And with the first block, we can put 4 alphabets, like A, B, C, D, we can put either one. And since with repetition, meaning that it doesn't matter whichever alphabet I put in the first one, I can still put it in the second one. So I still have 4 options. Yeah. So it's 4 times 4 equals to 16 arrangements. So we can also write it as 4 to the power of 2. Yeah. And for the second example, distribute 4 different gifts to 3 people. Everyone can have the same. Okay. So if you think of it this way, a person can have multiple gifts, but then a gift can only be given to one person. So meaning that there are 3 blocks, right? And then for each block, each person, meaning that there are four blocks, each representing a gift, right? And then there are 3 people. So a person can have whatever gift they want. The person can have 4 of the gifts, or he or she or they can have 2 gifts, while the other 2 get 1 each. Or a person can have 3 gifts, and one get 1 and the other one gets none. That also could work. So gift A, let's say gift A, can be given to 3 people, like one of the 3. So there are 3 possibilities. Gift B can be given to 3. Gift C can be given to 3. Gift D can also be given to 3, right? So the answer will be 3 to the power of 4, because if we multiply them together. Yeah, we're sensing a pattern here. For the third question, 3 different boats, 5 people go on the boats. What are the possibilities? So 3 boats. Each boat, they can have multiple people on the boat, but a person cannot be on the same boat, like on different boats simultaneously. So meaning that we have 5 people, right? 5 people and 3 boats. Let's say person A, well, again, I'll mark them A, B, C, D, and E. Person A could be on either boat 1, boat 2, or boat 3. So there are 3 possibilities. And for B, also 3. C, 3. D, 3. E, 3. So the answer will be 3 to the power of 5 if you multiply them together, right? And then for the fourth example, 5 different letters put into 4 different mailboxes. Okay, well, a mailbox can consist of whatever letters, but one letter cannot be separated into 2 and put into different mailboxes. So we have to write down 5 brackets for the mailboxes. For the letters. Let's say letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E. Letter A can be put into either one of the mailboxes, either one of the 4 mailboxes. So there are 4 possibilities. And for B, also 4. C, D, E, also 4. So it will be 4 to the power of 5, right? So what I'm trying to explain here is the number of arrangements. Well, arrangements, it doesn't matter. The number of arrangement is equal to the thing that is repeatable as a base, and then the number of things that are unrepeatable that is in the power. Yeah. So let's think back. Okay, let's see at example 4. Okay, 4 different letters put into 4 different mailboxes. What can be repeated? The mailboxes, right? Different letters can be put into the same mailboxes, so the mailboxes can be repeated. So 4 as the base. And then since the letters, they cannot be they cannot be repeated because there's only 1 each, so they are put into the power. So 4 to the power of 5, repeatable to the power of the unrepeatable. Again, question 3. 3 different boats, 5 people go on the boats. What is repeatable, what is not repeatable? The boats are repeatable. Why? Because whatever person can be on the boat, but a person cannot be separated into 2 to go on 2 different boats or 3 other boats, right? So then what is repeatable is the boats, so it has to be put as the base. And then what is unrepeatable is the people, so people go to the power. Also, back to the question 2. 4 different gifts to 3 people. A person can have multiple gifts, but a gift cannot be given to multiple people at the same time, right? So then the repeatable as the base, which is the people, and then the unrepeatable, which is the gift. So it's been put in the power. And of course, for the question 1, A, B, C, D, choose repetition 2 alphabets to arrange. Well, we don't really need to explain this, because 2 alphabets to arrange, so let's say 2 blocks, right? What is repeatable? The alphabets, right? Because the alphabet can consist of, or can be put into either one of the boxes, but 1 box can only put into 1 alphabet, right? So here the boxes are the unrepeatable, but then the alphabets are the repeatable, so 4 to the power of 2. So what I'm trying to say for permutations with repetition is basically not formula, but this way to approach. So the number of arrangements equal to the repeatable to the power of the unrepeatable. This is the takeaway from this video. Permutations with repetition. I hope you understand, and I hope it's not too confusing. In the next few videos, I will be covering some other questions regarding permutations with repetition as well. So yeah, stay tuned. See you guys in the next video.